Welcome to Project Lighting by Specialised Lighting Solutions. Myer is one of Australia's largest retailers with over 50 large multi-level department stores Australia-wide. Specialised Lighting Solutions is one of Australia's largest value-added turnkey lighting suppliers and have a long-term supply partnership of over 20 years with Myer. In early 2017, SLS approached Myer to upgrade its flagship store in Melbourne, which had low light levels, extremely high energy consumption, the need for continual lamp replacement. Myer Melbourne is Australia's largest and highest turnover department store. It covers over 30,000 square metres of retail space with 6 different levels and situated in the heart of the Melbourne CBD. The proposal from SLS was to provide a complete turnkey lighting solution changeover to be funded by energy saving, maintenance savings and available government rebate schemes. The challenge was also to upgrade the quality of lighting of both average lux levels, uniformity and colour rendering and colour temperature. This was all to be performed over a 6-week staged installation program, where 1 level per week was retrofitted during store closing time between 9 p.m. and 7 a.m. in the morning. The installation was to be seamless with no disruption to the store trading and no evidence of any works taking place on the store floor. The first stage was to audit the entire lighting store and identify every single light fitting and recording the following information: the fitting and lamp type, the wattage, the colour temperature and the luminol lux output. This task was performed by Eco Audit, which is the SLS in-house dedicated lighting audit business. This is a value-added service used by SLS to generate all projects work in the refurbishment project market. All audit information was then inputted into the Illuminate energy reduction platform, which was developed to provide a powerful, flexible software ecosystem to support and automate the presentation of energy-efficient solutions to our clients. Designed and developed over the past 18 months to support our Eco Rebate and Eco Audit service business, the platform supports our dedicated energy audit division with an online data collection application hosted on Microsoft Surface tablets, allowing an accurate determination of the client's current products, the energy baseline. All data, images and video are then uploaded from the field to the online server where they become instantly accessible by our sales and technical teams. As a result, once the incumbent product has been inputted and all upgrade products were selected, the return on investment business case was calculated and provided to Myer for sign-off. In the case of Myer, the ROI was 22 months and was circulated for approval to the following Myer stakeholders: the Myer CFO, Sustainability Director, National Facilities Manager, Procurement Director and the National Design Manager. By covering all of these stakeholders and obtaining their agreement, SLS was able to obtain a purchase order properly. All product is finally selected and modelled using AGI lighting software. The product volume and specification is complete. The lighting ceiling reflection plans were supplied to the Myer Design Department and the third-party electrical consultant for independent light levels and verification. The product mix is not only selected on the basis of performance, but also to maximise margin that SLS can achieve on each brand. The project contained a mixture of 3 brands, including Philips and our SLS house brands Monaco and EcoJetted, which generated trading margin above 30%. Upon commencement of supply and installation, the expediting to site of all products was delivered in stages to suit the installation program. Each staged area or floor had to be seamlessly installed in the store closing hours so as not to disrupt customer or staff during trading hours. This process involved SLS project management, a specialised expediting team and our subcontracted installer all working closely together to deliver the project, which are all key value adds within the SLS value add supply chain. The Myer Melbourne store project was completed within 6 months after approaching Myer with the initial concept. The actual installation of the lighting project was delivered within 3 months of receiving the official Myer purchase order. The key outcomes and deliverables of the project have been measured as follows. The performance outcomes. Supplied and installed 7,500 LED light fittings. There were no longer failed lamps in the ceiling and there was an increase in product life from 10,000 hours up to 50,000 hours on average. There was an increase of general lux levels from 500 up to 800 lux. There were 200 more spotlights installed to add to merchandising quality. And the colour temperature was lifted from a CRI of 82 to 97, improving the presentation of all merchandise. The financial outcomes were as follows. There was an initial capex of $637,000, a return on investment of 22 months, energy savings of $210,000 per annum, maintenance savings of $40,000 per annum, and a government rebate of $175,000. There was also an immediate and noticeable improvement on the merchandising in the store. Environmental impact results were also substantial. Greenhouse gas emissions, savings of 14.6 thousand tonnes of CO2. Major elimination of mercury and recycling of mercury found in traditional lamps. The prevention of the future disposal of 2,300 lamps per annum into landfill. An electricity decrease from 2.1 million kilowatts per hour to 877,000 kilowatts per hour. This is an annual saving of 58.85%. and a decrease in HVAC loading of around 10%. So the key learnings for SLS after the project, Myer has another 15 suitable properties to approach to replicate this process. We could apply this same process to all retail and hospitality customers. The refurbishment project market can lead to unlimited project opportunities to all traditional lamp installations. So in summary, the key value adds to deliver profitable and successful lighting projects can include the following. Lighting audit capabilities is where the project begins. Return on investment selling using a suitable IT product proves that the project is self-funding. Sustainability and environmental impact statements are a valuable sales tool. Lighting design capabilities add technical acumen and enable proof of concept. Flexible product mix of premium and commodity brands will maximise supply chain margin. Specialist expediting to site meets customer trading needs. Installation service via quality subcontractor network is required. Access and processing of any applicable government rebate schemes also reduces the ROI. And finally, the project management of this complete turnkey lighting solution is required to result in an efficient, successful turnkey.